is in such good shape. I know it doesn't look like it, but look at it. All the barnacles. The boy said he stopped driving it in '95. I'd say he was telling the truth. We'll put a battery in it and see if it does anything. No way. Got a headlight. Got two headlights. Got a clutch. Got a click. Cable does not look great. Maybe a new cable tomorrow. It'd be cool if we can get her to turn over. I looked at it. The engine spins. I feel pretty confident it'll go. Starter works. Looks like she was rebuilt sometime this century. Hey, it's spinning. Someone's done some wiring. Oh, look at that. That one goes to the oil switch. Not crucial. Okay, so the key is on. I don't think we got any spark. Got juice. Okay, so we're doing something. So it looks pretty good. Huh? You know, just from that, I'm thinking I could probably scuff these points. Maybe we can get something happening. Yeah, a little bit of snapping. That looks promising. Let's see if we can get anything out of the coil. Oh, we got spark. Let's go ahead, turn the key off. Check these brakes. Nada, but it's pretty clean. I've normally had pretty good luck just pouring a little fluid in there. It's returning a little. Look at that. I'm shocked. And I just got the cap off and letting it do its thing. Looks like it's pushing a little air. That's promising. I don't hear anything leaking out. One thing I couldn't believe when I put this thing on the trailer, I felt like we had parking brake. I don't know if it's gonna stick, but we'll see. When I drug this thing on the trailer, the left rear wheel was definitely frozen. The fronts are definitely taking fluid. That has noticeably went down. It kind of feels like I got maybe just the slightest of pedal. I'm gonna put a little more fluid in it, put the cap back together, see if we can get her to fire. I did throw a little WD-40 down here last night. Seems like everything's free. Looks like the accelerator pump's moving. Put our ignition back together. Choke's pretty frozen though. Got a little VP laying around. It's 2-stroke, but it should get her to run. Yeah, I'll slop that all over the intake, but there's enough water and rat turds there. I don't think it'll be flammable. Oh, I did check the oil in it. Very black, but we're gonna run with that for now. Soak this up. First fire, maybe. Oh, wow. All right, we just burned all the fuel that I poured in it, but God, it fired right up. Blew some junk out of these. It looks like it's got old glass packs on it. Ain't much left of them. But it did fire. You know, I haven't even checked. I'm sure this fuel's rank, if there is any. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. Get a makeshift gas tank here. See if it'll actually suck some fuel to the carb, and we'll try that. Okay, poorly ratchet strapped a fuel can there. Makeshift hose. Let's see if we can get it to suck a little gas. Yep. Well, it's sucking fuel. It definitely sucks fuel. Yeah, that rubber line is shot. Let me see if I got some more rubber line laying around. That's good though. At least it's sucking fuel. Can hear it, it's right there. Let's see if it starts back up after our fuel line fix. Jam a rag in there. Keep the EPA happy. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Oh wow, look, the brake pedal just sucked right to the floor. Is it charging? Yes. Wow, it's charging. Yuck. Okay, 3 on the tree. Definitely feels like something's dragging, but wow, it moved. Yeah. Settle down. She's just sitting there idling. Doesn't like to charge at idle, but I don't think these ever really did. But man, overall she sounds pretty good other than the manifolds clacking. Yeah, brakes aren't happy. I was hoping to get a little bit, but that was being far too optimistic. Settle down. It wants to go. Power washed her twice. Looks pretty good. Got most of the crap off there. Bag of someone's old underwear and t-shirts. I'm gonna shine this boy up. I'm gonna clear it today. Got her all scuffed up. We'll see how she looks. I'm gonna take this, do a wet rag, use some of these undies they gave me. It says wipe on wet and then wipe dry with the other one. Yeah, good and clean. So that's the wax and grease remover. Oh yeah, got a pretty good technique. Looks like it dries up pretty nicely, so do the whole truck with that and we'll be ready to clear it. Alright, I got her all pre-cleanoed. I'm gonna mix up this stuff in my state-of-the-art ice cream container. I'm just gonna go hog wild and dump it all in, stir it up, wipe it on with this. I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Hey, buddy. This stuff's pretty strong. Give her a good stir.
Dad, I got the truck.
Good job, buddy.
I got the truck.
Make sure you put my toe strap back. A little before and after. Quite a difference. Alright, it's done. The sun's down. I wiped it all on. The only spot I'm not in love with is the hood, but we'll see what it looks like when it's fully dried. It's a little streaky, but the rest of it, it looks amazing. It's just perfect patina. All of it. Really happy with how it went on. The hood may have even been painted at one time, I don't know. But I even did the chrome and everything. I mean, it really made the grill pop. I just wiped it on. I even did the interior, because it's all bare metal too. I did it all. I even wiped a little on the dash here, and over there by the glove box, and back here. I mean, it really brought everything out. Door jams are all done. With all this, I went on pretty thick right here, and I mean, you can rub it. I mean, it doesn't come off on your hand. But pretty awesome. Just love the look. Oh, and make sure you wear gloves. 100% wear gloves.